A very good evening, everyone. Welcome to the first lecture in the series of C programming for beginners. I have developed this playlist keeping in mind that most of you all here have no foundation or have never done programming in their lives and want to get started somewhere. I have also developed this with respect to understanding how computers work, what do programming languages do, and how to write clean code so that you do not face any errors and any security loopholes or bugs that occur when writing a program. Now, without wasting any time, let us go to the next slide. Before we actually begin writing programs and seeing what is C language, we will first understand what are computer languages. So basically, a language is a system of communication that enables us to convey thoughts, ideas, and emotions. That's right, we all know that. But what is a programming language? See, just like we use spoken or written languages to express ourselves, programming languages allow us to communicate with computers. They provide a structured way to write instructions and tell the computer what to do, thus bridging the gap between human logic and machine understanding. Now, we know what a language is, right? So, it is just a structured way to write instructions. But why do we need programming languages? What is the need for a programming language? We all know that computers are very powerful machines, but the only drawback is they can only understand binary code, which is nothing but a series of zeros and ones. Now, we as humans, to understand the binary language and to read and write in it is very difficult. That is nearly impossible. Programming languages, on the other hand, serve as a translator, allowing us to write instructions in a format that's easier for us to understand. By using programming languages, we can create software, automate tasks, and solve complex problems without needing to delve into the complexities of machine code. Now, why are we learning C programming? And where is C programming used? Okay, so the first reason being that C programming is one of the oldest and most widely used programming languages. It was developed in the early 1970s and it provides a solid foundation for understanding computer science principles. This is the main reason why I've started this series, so that we can also focus on other topics later on in a new series such as operating systems, databases, and data structures, which form the foundation of many computer science related subjects. Thus, I have taken C programming as the basic language so that we can develop our knowledge further. Now, where is C programming widely used? Well, the first place where it is used in system software such as operating systems. Do you know that operating systems like Windows and Linux are written in C? Yes. So by learning this language, we can also understand how do operating systems work and run programs on them. It is C programming is also used in embedded systems such as microwaves, cars, and many medical equipments. See, if you're someone who likes to play games, C programming is the programming language of choice for most game developers out there. And also when it comes to performance critical applications where speed and resource management are crucial, such as databases and high frequency trading platform, C is often the language of choice. Now going ahead, we will learn about different topics in C programming, such as variables and data types. How do variables store data and how can we manipulate that data? We will learn about control structures such as for loops and while loops and how do they control the flow of a program. Then we will learn about functions, which are basically reusable blocks of code used to perform specific tasks. Then we will learn about arrays and strings and how we can use them to manipulate data. Then we will learn about pointers, which helps us in understanding memory management and how does the computer memory work. Then we will learn about structures, which basically teaches us about complex data types and how we can, and last but not the least, we will see how to perform file handling, which basically is reading and writing from files to store and process data. By the end of this series, you will have a strong foundation of C programming and computer science, enabling you to tackle real world problems and write code confidently without making any mistakes. So, I'll see you ahead in the next lecture. Till then, take care and goodbye.